In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S26 and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. First of all, open Gallery app and decide if you want to delete your photos from albums or pictures. Let's start with albums. All you need to do is click on one, hold one photo and tap at the top left corner. Now slide your finger across all of those you wanna keep and hit delete at the bottom. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. It works exactly the same in pictures. The only difference is, let's restore some so I can show you. Because the only difference is you can not only pick all of your photos right away thanks to the same button, but you can also select all of them only from chosen section by clicking on those icons at the top left corners. Then pick ones you wanna keep and get rid of the rest. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!